The future of smartphones is about to get a massive upgrade, and trust me, you don't want to miss this, because the OnePlus 15 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones of the year, with features that feel straight out of the future. Imagine holding a device that combines cutting-edge AI intelligence, lightning-fast performance, a mind-blowing display, next-level cameras, and a battery that just won't quit. And yes, the launch date is closer than you think. So stick with me until the end, because there's a surprise detail you'll definitely want to know. Now, let's dive into what makes the OnePlus 15 Pro so special. First, let's talk about design and display. The OnePlus 15 Pro is rumored to feature a sleek titanium frame with ultra-thin bezels, giving it a modern premium feel that rivals even the most expensive flagships. The 6.9-inch QHD+ AMOLED display will offer a 2K resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate, making everything, from gaming to scrolling social media, smooth and ultra-responsive. Plus, with HDR10+ support and peak brightness rumored to hit 3000 nits, watching videos or using the phone outdoors in bright sunlight will be an absolute treat. But what really sets this phone apart is its AI integration. OnePlus is said to be introducing a brand new AI assistant built directly into the phone's OxygenOS 16, designed to help you in smarter ways, from editing photos and videos instantly to predicting your app usage and even managing your daily tasks. This isn't just an assistant, it's more like a personal companion, learning your habits and making life seamless. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, making it a true performance beast. Whether you're gaming with demanding graphics, multitasking between dozens of apps, or pushing the phone to its limits, it will deliver buttery-smooth performance without breaking a sweat. And for gamers, there's an upgraded cooling system to keep everything running cool during long gaming sessions. Now, let's get into cameras, because this is where the OnePlus 15 Pro really takes a leap. We're talking about a triple-lens setup co-engineered with Hasselblad, a 50MP primary sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom. Low-light photography will be breathtaking thanks to the new AI image engine, which enhances detail and reduces noise, giving you pro-level shots even at night. Selfie lovers won't be left out either, with a powerful 32MP front camera that supports 4K video recording for vloggers and creators. Now, let's not forget battery and charging, because OnePlus has always been a leader in this area. The OnePlus 15 Pro is expected to pack a 6000 mAh battery, giving you enough power to last well over a day even with heavy use. But here's the kicker. It supports a jaw-dropping 150W fast charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 15 minutes. And yes, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are also included for ultimate convenience. The phone will also come with 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and improved haptic feedback for a better overall user experience. And here comes the suspense. The official launch of the OnePlus 15 Pro is expected in early 2026, with pre-orders rumored to begin shortly after the announcement. But here's the surprise for those of you who stuck around until now. OnePlus is rumored to be working on a special edition variant with a transparent back design and exclusive AI features that won't be available on the regular model, making it a collector's dream for tech lovers. Imagine being one of the first people to own that. It's a game changer. So, what do you think about the OnePlus 15 Pro? Will it beat the iPhone 17 Pro or Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts, because this competition is heating up fast and I'll be covering all the details for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Stay tuned, because the next leaks are even crazier and you don't want to miss what's coming next.